Hey there, Curious Dude here with Curious Kid. Good friends of ours donated this Chinese Geo brand ATV. I believe it's a 50cc or 49cc model and hasn't run for several years, and so we are going to take it upon ourselves to try and get it running and driving, and would be a great toy and a learning tool for my son. It's been stuffed under a deck for 5 years, so a lot of debris, mouse droppings, and other interesting things to be found. Some obvious things that stand out right away. The case that covers the chain is broken. There's no battery, no spark plug. There is some real funky engineering on the carburetor area. It looks like the neck, the intake, doesn't actually fit, and it's been sealed with gum or paper mache or something. So probably much more to discover down there. But for the price, everything's here, and I'm excited to figure this out. A great way to get into hobby and to learn a little bit about small engines and have some fun along the road. Keep you posted.